Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking on a video tour through our Mini Clubman Hampton. So this is our 61 plate Mini Clubman Hampton edition, 1.6 diesel. Whilst in our care, we've given it fresh service, fresh MOT with no advisories, full 102-point independent mechanical check, and we've also replaced all 4 disc pads, replaced the clutch and dual mass flywheel, and done the timing chain. With it being the Hampton edition, you get nicer alloys, full leather interior, with nice Hampton styling points, DAB radio, cruise control, aux input, Bluetooth, lots of nice extras. Obviously, this being the Clubman, you have got the cooler suicide door on the driver's side, a little bit more practical. And the boot doors, which open differently as well. Really cool little car. It's covered just over 100,000 miles. It's got really good service history, nice low road tax. All in all, a really lovely, cool, stylish car. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.